Hey guys, how's it going? Hope all of y'all are having a great day. I just wanted to show you the cleaning method I use when I clean windows. Pretty much as usual, just start with your T-bar, wet the window, get all the corners and edges. Then once you do that, you're going to take your Brillo or steel wool of the finest grade and just scrub over the window, get any imperfections that might be stuck on there. Just make sure you get the corners and edges real good. Then take your towel and make your starting edge. Then take your squeegee, cut in, and what I'm using here is the fanning method. It's pretty much you just start, you cut into the top corner, go around, kind of make a U shape when you come back, and then just come back to the middle and fan down like I just did right there. And then once you do that, just take your towel, go around the edge and true it up so you don't have any water along the edges of the window. And you're just gonna repeat this method for each window, and it's really repetitive. Once you get it down, it's just engraved in your head pretty much. Then another thing I just wanted to point out is do a walk around before you get started. Check for damaged screens or frames or cracked or chipped glass. On this house, the frames are really old and chipping away, so I did point that out to the customer, let them know. But a good habit is just be very careful with the edge of the window. Don't bang into it or scrape up against it real hard, because you could chip the paint, or in this case the wood was chipping off. Just go ahead and keep doing that, and be very careful with what you're doing. And like I said, guys, it's really repetitive. Once you get it down, you'll remember it. Be quick. And anyways, guys, this concludes the tips on what I use to clean windows. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching.